Been calling me. The number you have dialed has been changed.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So y'all know it's stimulus check time. So I got my stimulus check this morning and I was excited to hop on here because I do want to pay off some debt really quickly. So I just want to get this video out to y'all. I am filming in nighttime, so if you see shadows and stuff from my light, I do apologize for that. But let's just jump right in. So I am not gonna I won't be stuffing any cash envelope. I'll just be focusing on my sinking funds. Okay, I already have the amounts that I'm entering into both. And yeah, let's get started without further ado. So car maintenance is getting its usual 20. So I'm just gonna add a 20 to this. All right, so car maintenance is getting 20, so that, let's see how much we have. 100 what? Oh girl, slow down. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 120. So $120 for car maintenance. Looking good, looking good. Travel, I'm giving $70. You know, I'm trying to stack this up. Summer is coming, honey. Okay. So for travel, we're doing a 50 and a 20. So let's see. Y'all, look at my money. Crazy. So let's see, for travel, 100, 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 320, and 340. Not bad at all. 340 in travel. So we getting up there. Still not a plane ticket yet, but yeah, so 340. Emergency fund is getting its usual $40. So let's see how much we have in emergency fund. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. Ow, okay. We making progress. Okay, $200. All right, looking good. And in my next video, y'all, I will let y'all know the amount that I'm saving towards. I did say I'm going to do like 3 to 6 months. So I just have to calculate what that 3 to 6 month is. But I'll report to y'all and let y'all know what my goal is. That snowball, y'all. Oh, so emergency fund got $200. That snowball is actually getting all of these 100s right here. Y'all know I'm trying to pay off I paid off one credit card. So now I only have my Best Buy credit card left. And that's being paid off. And that's why I really wanted to come and do this video so that I can deposit this money tomorrow and pay them off and say bye-bye. See you later. Adios. So that snowball is getting 1,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that snowball is getting $1,000 so I can pay off. Finally, y'all, 2 credit cards gone. I still got a lot of loans. I was recently looking at my credit report and just looking at my overall debt, including my car, student loans, and everything. And yeah, I need to get it going. So let's see how much we have in debt snowball. So this was 1,000. So in total, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1,000, 1,050. And this will be emptied tomorrow. I might wait until Friday when I get paid so I could just do like a closeout for March and then empty. So I empty my snowball envelope every month because we try and get debt free, sis. That's our goal. Like, I just been stressing lately about all my debt and I was just like, girl, don't beat up yourself, but it's cool. But yes, y'all, second credit card out the door. Thank you, Jesus. All right, now let's go to room decor. Room decor is getting $40. I told y'all the goal is for my room is to look like a hotel little showroom. So we're going to get it together. My mom claimed it looked like a man room right now just because I'm not good at decorating and all of that. So we just looking real crazy, but it's cool. We got the basics. We got a bed. Okay. 100, 120, 140, and 150. I'm eyeing some furniture though. Some like real cute makeup tables and stuff like that. So good things to come. Good things to come. Christmas is getting $10. Ooh, money. Y'all know I usually stuff $5, so now we doubling because what, we rich. Okay, we rich. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. So Christmas has $35. All right, medical is getting 10, y'all. We rich, we doubling up, not its usual 5. Okay, so medical gets 10, so we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. Medical and Christmas usually have like the same amount. As we get closer to Christmas, probably by the summertime, I'll start like putting more in Christmas, but for now, $5 it is. All right, birthday. So I told y'all last cash stuff into my best friend's birthday just came up and we only had a measly old $5 in here. So I bought her gift. So right now I need to pay back myself out of this. So I'm stuffing birthday actually $50. The gift was way more than this still. So I still need to save, but I'm not going to empty my birthday envelope until I save the amount of money that I spent for her gift. So birthday now has $55. Okay. All right. So now let's jump to the 10K challenge. 10K is getting $160. So that's, I think that's everything that's left. So let's see, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 150, 155, and 160. So this is going into my 10K. And a lot of people has been asking me about my 10K challenge. So I'm going to show you the sheet that I use in a second. To track how I'm doing it. And also y'all know that I didn't start my 10K challenge until February, so I need to make up for the month of January, which I've been doing. So let's see how much we have in here for a 10K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And y'all, my 1K slips are coming in, and I'm gonna write something on my 1K slip that I always say. Y'all gonna see it. So that's 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 550, 6, 650, 670, 690, 710, 730, 740, 750, 755, 760. What's this? 60, 65, 70, 75. Hopefully that's right, y'all. I don't even remember how much it is. Let me count it again. Now I'm rushing. My camera is dying. My iPad is dying. Everything is dying. So for the 10K, we have $1,775. All right. So like I said, a lot of people have been asking me about my 10K challenge. So I'm going to show you what I use. Let me zoom in. So basically what I do, I just put 1 through 26 because it's 26 weeks because I get paid bi-weekly. And then let me just put it here so y'all can see. So what I do, I'll just put the date when I put the money in. But right now, like I told you, I started in February. So I started February 5th. So I only stuffed this 3 times so far. So I didn't start the 10K challenge until February. So I'm basically making up for January. So right now, I was owing $310. So now I just put 160 in. So right now I only need to make up now 150. So I'm just going to change this number to 150. And if I get any extra money, I'll just put it in here. So basically that's what I do. If you want me to do like a detailed video on the 10K challenge, it's pretty simple. I just pull $385 out of every check. It's just that I have to make up for the month of January. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all Friday because we do get paid again on Friday. Appreciate y'all for all the support. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you're doing with your stimulus check in the comments. And I'll see you later. Happy budgeting, y'all. Bye.